Picture yourself in a magic school bus that's going back in time. The date is March 10th, 1888. The city streets were bustling and hustling, people outside enjoying their time. Then suddenly, their peaceful days came to an end because this blizzard came fast. The next thing I'm going to show you is live footage from the blizzard, so viewer discretion advised. Yeah, we out here, just got back from school, going through the grassland, in New York. Today is a pretty nice day. Huh? Oh my god, it's snowing. Bruh, it's cold. As you can see in this gruesome video, the blizzard came so fast that school children died because they couldn't come home in time. That's how cold and fast the snow came. Not only that, but the blizzard killed over 400 people and thousands of animals froze. As well, the blizzard caused $20 million in property damage in New York alone, not including the other 5 states that were affected by the blizzard. In New York, the telegraph poles were shut down and the railroads were blocked off for a whole week as government workers plowed the snow. In some areas, there was up to 55 inches of snow, which is about 14 green apples stacked on top of each other. With so much snow, people didn't have a choice but to stay home or close to home because of all this snow. Luckily, eventually the culprit was found and tried at court. Order in the court. But, Your Honor, my client is just built differently. I find the blizzard of 1880 to be guilty. The blizzard of 1888 is hereby sentenced to be known as the worst blizzard in the history of the United States of America. Your Honor, you sure can't lower the sentence? The blizzard of 1888 was born in March. That makes it a Pisces. You know how they be. I'm sorry, but the evidence being proven about killing 400 people and causing millions in property damage is too much for me to turn a blind eye to. Now we are back to current day to talk about how the Great Blizzard of 1888 impacted us as a whole. One of the things that changed because of the Great Blizzard of 1888 was the introduction and construction of subways. No, not that subway. This subway. They also put telephone, electric, and gas lines underground so that they can't get frozen anymore. And lastly but surely, it gave a reason for the government and companies to spend more money on weather technology so it can predict weather in the future. I mean, just look how accurate weather forecasts are nowadays. Today is gonna be a good day, no snow at all. And that was everything you need to know about the Great Blizzard of 1888. The when, how, why, and what happened.
I've seen the time I come very funny folk, the papa, the